we are at Michael's house. Yo, it's M-Dog! And so, yeah. Yo, there's Noah. How you doing, Noah? He's particularly shy, so...
Look at me! I'm wearing a tie. Look at me. Tie. Tie-tastic. Titanic. Tie-tastic.
Yeah,
Tie.
we'll just,
Check out my tie. See? Tie.
yeah, so, it's just... What is that thing? What do you think it is, Michael?
Well, it's not my tie. A police box. A miniature police box. Miniature. Mini. Why is it small?
Did you see that, Michael? Okay, buddy. Oh God, that thing must have had acid in it. Noah, did you guys just see that?
No.
Are we on acid, Michael? Because I just saw that. What is going on? It's like... What is that?
I don't know.
Don't touch it. It may be radioactive. Kate, that doesn't mean you just slam it on the ground. You freaking broke it, dude.
No.
What is wrong with you?
I'm not good at this.
You touch it. Come on, touch it. Okay, this is... day one, yeah.
Yeah. Oh no.
You touched it!
I did.
God, he's gonna turn into a zombie or something. Dude, we just saw that. There was like a blue box and stuff.
I'm a zombie. No, just kidding.
Let me see this. What the?
What?
Did you see that, Michael?
Yeah. No. Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Try again. Try it again. JB? JB? JB?
Get an exorcist.
JB? JB?
What is this thing?
I don't know. JB? Are you dead? Finally?
We have to document this.
We kind of are.
Hey! He moves up and down.
That's funny.
This thing is weird, man. Really weird. And they didn't even see it, you know? Yo, what is going on? Yo, that is some supernatural stuff going on. Okay. I see. Michael, try it out. I swear, I'm not faking this stuff.
What's this?
Yo, that's some supernatural stuff going on. Yo, it's like disco in here. You killed all the lights, dude. Freak, your mom's gonna kill us. The electric bill's gonna be so up. Oh no, run out, God. No way, you gotta see this. You gotta see this. Okay, do it, Michael. Oh, it did it. Did you not just see that? Right? Dude, did you see that? Some super... No! God, Noah, I'm gonna break my camera. Ooh, try the microwave.
Microwave.
The microwave.
The microwave. Oh, the microwave.
Yo! There's nothing cooking.
Oh, baby.
Turn it off. Oh! lights off?
They are off. You mean on?
Yeah.
Ah, my face!
Yeah, you should turn them on. Dude. Oh, those lights went on too. Okay, Noah, this. Hey, dude, what is this?
Oh, I don't know. It's our basement, I think. I don't know. I've been in it like twice. The door's been locked for years, see? Oh!
It's true. Oh, is it gone? Oh, it's good now. Okay. I don't know what to say about this thing, man. It's like the coolest thing ever. Turn the camera right side up.
Aw.
Just like this thing is the key to human evolution. I mean, I already think we're smarter, you know? We're smarter already. You know, turn the camera right side up.
You're blurry.
Don't make me do this.
Why are you blurry? Never mind.
Don't make me do this.
Don't you dare do it.
The sonic screwdriver's doing that. It's emitting frequencies. Yeah, don't do that again. That camera's gonna be ruined. Ruined, I tell you. How come no one else sees what's happening? It's only us.
They're glued to the TV.
Either everyone else.
The distracted weirdos.
Either everyone else is just glued to the TV or something.
It's funny, I
or
can see
we-
two of you. One on the screen on the camera and one like real you. Like, real you.
It's either them, they just don't pay attention, or we. Michael, what was in that soup?
What soup?
Did we have soup?
I think? No. It was chowder.
I thought I remembered.
I think it was clam chowder.
See? I don't know. I don't know where everything came from, you know? Just like it's it seems like it's all right in front of us. So like something we're missing. Michael,
Yeah.
this sonic screwdriver is legit! Like seriously, look at this thing. I mean, it's almost like our other sonic screwdrivers.